Hello and welcome to the Product Discovery Series. My name is Cole Nebeker and today we will be discussing the Red 4 with built-in Red Series advanced technology. The R4 controller is a unique device that provides controlled access for up to 4 doors. It gives you the power to scale any system for any job site. It has 4 reader ports, 4 input-output boards for adding DPS and REX devices, relays, a power input, and battery leads. The R4 and all other Red Series products use OSDP for ultra-high security data encryption and optimized performance. This controller can be installed at a central point between up to 4 doors. When connecting your controller, make sure that the cloud node is brought online. When ready, plug the Ethernet cable into the R4. Alternatively, add a wireless module kit to bring the controller online with our WiMac Wireless, PDK Secure Wireless Network. With plug-and-play functionality, PoE module kits can be easily added to power the R4 with up to 3.5 amps of electrified door hardware to eliminate the need for an external power supply and to further streamline setup. The R4 allows flexibility on those uncertain job sites where controlled access may be added further down the line. Additionally, starting with the R4 can save cost on equipment and help simplify the installation process. PDK allows you to be versatile. We offer a full range of effective products to meet the needs of any installation. So, when you're looking for a high-performing adaptive solution, look no further than the Red 4 by PDK.